Hey, this is Barrett, Engineering Manager for CorkSport Mazda Performance. Today, I'm proud to announce the Coilover kit for the 2014 to 2018 Mazda 3 and the 2013 Plus Mazda 6. For many years now, CorkSport has offered performance lowering screens for the Mazda 3. While these are well loved by the community has also said, we want coilovers, we want height adjustability, we want something more performance driven. So with that, we've pushed forward and we've developed an inverted coilover strut suspension kit for the 3rd gen Mazda 3 and 6. Leaning on the development of our coilover suspension kit for the Mazdaspeed 3 that ranges from 04 up to 2013, we're able to glean on some development, spring rates, and damping rates that we use for that platform. Then looking forward at the 3rd gen platform, we're able to take that data and apply it specifically to that chassis. From that development, we created a coilover kit that is both track friendly and street friendly, giving you the best of both worlds. Up front, we use an inverted, rebound adjustable strut design utilizing 7K spring rates. In the rear, we're using an OE style independent spring and strut design to keep the install simple and adjusting height and rebound simple, and utilizing an 8K spring rate. So you may be wondering, why are we using a higher spring rate in the rear of the car? Typically you see something stiffer up front. Well, in our development, analyzing spring rates, understeer versus oversteer characteristics, and really getting the frequency front to back to make the car feel lively and alert, and to deal with the motion ratios of the suspension, a stiffer rear spring rate really brought the whole kit together. Looking at coilovers, the abilities and features you get out of coilovers far exceed lowering springs. You get included front camber plates, so you can set the camber of the vehicle up front. You can adjust ride height front and rear independently, so if you want a little rake or you want a flat profile, that's up to you. With that, unless you have a rebound adjustable shocks that are like OE for your lowering springs, you're missing that as well. Whereas with coilovers, you can adjust the rebound dampening to really hone in the ride quality you're looking for, whether it's the street or the track. So thinking about how this coilover kit stands the test of time, all major structural components are manufactured from steel and coated for durability and corrosion resistance. And then the aluminum components are all anodized with a bright red finish, so it looks good and stands the test of time. So really wrapping up the kit is color step-by-step install instructions, along with the knowledgeable CorkSport staff that you can get on the phone or email if you have any questions. So with that, thank you for checking out the new coilover kit for the Mazda 3 and Mazda 6. Stay in the know by subscribing to the YouTube channel, our blog, and if you have any questions, let us know. This is Barrett, tuning out.